In today's class, we'll be learning about greater than or less than. So my first question comes here. Can you see these two bottles? Can you tell me which bottle will contain more of soap? Yes, you're right. This bottle will contain more of soap than this bottle. Yes, this bottle will have more of soap than this bottle. Okay. Now, out of these two bottles, can you tell me which bottle will contain more of water? Yes, this bottle will contain more of water than this bottle. Yes. When we have to tell the sign, when we have to tell the quantity or the content which is greater, we will put the sign in this way. Okay, when we have to put the quantity which is greater, okay, then we'll put the sign in this way. Suppose this is the mouth of the alligator. So alligator is very hungry and he is going to eat or drink all the water in this bottle. So this is the mouth of the alligator. So this is having more of quantity. So we'll put the sign in this way. So now again the alligator is ready to eat and he is very hungry. So which side he'll go? The smaller or the lesser side or the greater side? Yes, he'll go to the greater side. So the sign will come this way. Okay, so the sign will go in this direction. The mouth of the alligator will face this side. So now again, now can you tell me which side is having more of chips packet? Which side is having the more quantity? Yes, the greater side is this side. Okay, so this side, so we'll put this sign facing or this side. Okay, because we have only one here but we have two here. 1, 2. So we'll put the sign facing this side. Okay, if I ask you which is, I'm having 2 spoons here. Okay, so can you tell me which spoon will hold more of powder? Yes, you're correct. This spoon which have a large space here will hold more of powder than this spoon. Yes, so we'll put the sign, the greater sign, facing this way. Okay, so we'll put the greater sign facing this side. Clear? Okay, now let's count and check how many toothpicks are there. So this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 1, 2 and 3. So which side will have greater sign? Yes, this side will have greater sign. Okay, so this side will have greater sign. So because this side is having more of toothpicks than this. So now we are having set of spoons. Ask you which side is having the greater sign. So greater sign will come this side because it is having 5 spoons together. Okay, it's having 5 spoons, but here we have only 1. Okay, so hope you will try and practice this greater than and less than sign at home. I'm also sending you one worksheet along with this video. Thank you. Bye.